Hi guys, let's learn English while doing laundry. First, I separate my clothes into 2 piles. I put whites in one pile and darks in another pile. I always check the pockets for coins. I load the washing machine with my clothes. Next, I pour the liquid detergent into the machine. Sometimes I use a laundry pod because it is easy. Then, I select the water temperature. I use cold water for colors and hot water for towels. I close the lid and press the start button. I wait for the wash cycle to finish. I transfer the wet clothes to the dryer. I always clean the lint filter first. I add a dryer sheet to keep the clothes soft. After the dryer, I take out the warm clothes. I fold my t-shirts, and I hang up my dresses. Finally, I put everything away in the dresser. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like and subscribe for more English lessons.